Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So let's start analyzing Bank Nifty. Right now I am on daily chart. As you can see today Bank Nifty gapped up. We will go to 15-minute chart to understand today's price action. So here is the opening range of Bank Nifty, which was established around 32,261. After that Bank Nifty filled this gap around the level of 32,130, and then it retraced to higher level but did not manage to break the day's high. After a bit of consolidation, it tried to break the level of 32,050, but it was unsuccessful as indicated by long wick candle. So this particular zone around 32,000 or above that 32,084 or 32,100 should be an attractive buying level, and the selling or square of position should be around 32,160. Talking about selling, if you see any long wick candle around the level of 32,200 with drying up of volume, then you can sell at that very level. Let's start analyzing Nifty 50. So on daily chart, just like Bank Nifty, Nifty 50 gapped up, but contrary to the movement in Bank Nifty, today was a bullish day in Nifty 50. As you can see, this particular level around the market price of 1400 250 was acting as a strong resistance level as indicated by bit of consolidation as well as bearish candle, but the long wick candle ensured that this particular level is going to get breached in today's session. After that there was a free ride for Nifty 50. It took a supply. There was a supply zone around 1400 14,300 as indicated by a bit of consolidation but and long wick candle, but once again this level was breached and you saw level as high as 14,363. So talking about levels for Monday session, we can buy at the market price of 14,350, and our target should be around 14,080 and around that. If you see long wick candle around the level of 14,300, which will ensure that price is going to take support here, then you can buy here as well, and the target should be around 14,360. Now it's time to see four stocks from Monday's session. First stock we have in the list is Axis Bank. As you can see, today was a correction day in Axis Bank. Just pay attention to this extremely stronger bullish candle. After that, there was a correction in form of a extremely small bearish candle, which is nothing but outstanding buyers taking out profit. So similar thing has happened today. If we go to hourly chart, you can see number of long wick candle around the level of 6 670 to 672, and if I go to 15-minute chart, you can see the same story. Just pay attention to cluster of these candles. Price has been making pattern of higher highs and higher lows. So if the level of around 673 is breached in tomorrow's session, we can surely see a lot of bullish momentum which can go as high as the level of around, I have to go to weekly chart to see the level around 685 or 690 as well, or even 700 for that matter. Second stock we have is Sun Pharma. On daily chart, as you can see, and as I predicted in my analysis, that today we are going to see huge movement or momentum in the stock. The volumes have been expanding throughout the session as indicated or as seen in hourly chart. Every single long wick candle on the upper side is met with lot of buying, which means that buyers were just looking to see any fall in the price to take buying position. Same can be seen on 15-minute chart. Just look at the consolidation here around 615. This was a level for buyers to buy. Then again, they sell up their position around 620, and then you saw profit booking. And again, with number of long wick candle, buyers got interested and bought it around 618, and they sold it around 622 to 223, 623. So in Monday's session, we can see similar bullish momentum. If price goes above 623 or 625, I can see Sun Pharma going as high as 638 or even 640 for that matter. Third stock we have is Tata Steel. As I have been emphasizing a lot, the two candlestick price action called inside day bar. Just look at volumes for stronger bullish candle. Volumes have been expanding, and look at volumes for today's session. Volumes are extremely low. This is nothing but buyers taking out profit. Similar thing can be seen in hourly chart as well. The volumes were pretty low throughout the session. As you can see, for first 2 hours, when you saw bullish candle, the volumes was expanding. But once you saw or you see red bearish candle, volumes were extremely low. If I go to 15-minute chart, you can see a entire picture right here in form of how buyers are looking to and looking at every dip in the price to buy, and then they kind of settle at the supply zone of around 630, and hence you saw bit of drop in the price, which was not significant enough for the stock to go as low as 6-700 or break that barrier. Fourth stock we have for Monday's session is Havells India. Just look at this unprecedented bullish momentum, and at the same time volumes have been expanding as well. If in Monday's session Havells goes above 1015, I will show you an hourly chart. Just look at the cluster of long wick candle. People might have thought that here you will see dip in the price, but just see the pattern, the very pattern that I have been talking about multiple times, a pattern called higher highs and higher lows, which is an extremely bullish pattern. I'll show you in 15-minute chart. Just look at this particular level, how the level of 1000 is acting as a strong support level, and I can't see any reason why we won't see a 20-point session in Havells in Monday's session. So around 1025 should be a extremely decent target, and also it can go as high as 1035 as well. So these are the levels which I have outline for all the stocks that we just analyzed. I have given you multiple levels. As you can see, most of the levels are getting reached if price goes above the entry level, which means that our analysis is working and we are just making use of simple price action strategy. If you want to learn more about it, or if you have any doubt about any strategy or any stocks that I discuss in my video, you can drop your comment below. Also, I'm going to share all these calls in my Telegram channel. Make sure you become part of that. Thank you for watching.